Finally, the entertainment industry seems to be taking steps to give back and make sure new generations are not only entertained, but also well prepared. The Big Bang Theory, one of the most successful TV comedies of recent years, has a premise based on celebrating and making fun of a group of eccentric science students and professors. Now, the crew and cast of the show are trying to support some real-life Leonards and Sheldons, because starting in the fall, 20 UCLA Big Bang scholars will be given grants of different sizes based on need and academic merit. Also, each year, 5 more UCLA students will be added to the program. This is the first time I've heard something like this. It's great to see that a project that is so successful is giving back at least a little bit, $4 million in gifts for students to go, and something that is really needed, science, math, tech, something that is not being taught in elementary school, middle school, high school.
I mean, I think that what Chuck Lorre and his cast are doing is a terrific thing. This endowment is going to help some really needy students, 20 of them. $4 million is a good chunk of change, in my opinion. I'm surprised that he's not doing this at Caltech as opposed to UCLA, where most of these characters fictitiously go to school. Let's hope that he expands his program and perhaps gives more in time to more schools, not only UCLA.
Well, the reason why the money is not going to Caltech and is going to UCLA is because David Salzberg, it's a science consultant for the show, and he's one of the professors of science. Also, one of the stars of the show, Mayim Bialik, she is actually a graduate from a science program, a master program in UCLA, so there's a connection there. But I just want to put one fact there for you to consider, for all us to talk about. The fact that, all in all, each one of the cast members, at least the 3 top, Parson, Galecki, and Cuoco, they make $90 million in their contract. They are slated to make $1 million per episode in the next 3 seasons. The show as a whole is projected to make $1 billion of earnings. So $4 million seems very little compared to the amount of money that is being generated, but it's a start. I think I want to highlight that this is a start, but in reality, I also want to put the numbers out there for people to realize that although this is great, it's still very little.
I mean, you've got a point with that. $4 million, it's small compared to what they're making. Perhaps they're doing it as a tax write-off. Who knows? But thank God they're giving it, because I mean, we've got students out there that need this money, you know, that are smart and probably capable, but can't afford to go to such a prestigious school, and now they can. So regardless of the reasoning or why they're giving so little or not enough, at least they're doing something. I'd also like to add that they are supporting in one of these majors for one of these lucky undergrads, the arts. You can also study art and receive a scholarship. So
it's great.
Not just science.
I'm going to tell you guys the statement, the official statement from the Big Bang Theory crew. They say, "We have all been given a gift with the Big Bang Theory, a show that's not only based in the scientific community, but also enthusiastically supported by the same community. This is our opportunity to give back, and they have made a meaningful contribution, and together we'll share the support of these future scholars." It's great, but it's not enough. Come on, Hollywood people, give a little bit more. And if you have an opinion, share it with us in the comments. Please subscribe to the Lip TV too.